Hello everyone. Today we will create this abstract animation in Blender. We will using a curve, displacement and simple deform to make this abstract animation. And we will shading using glass texture. So let's get started. First, we select the light and the cube, right click, delete. Now go here in add, in curve, we select a spheric curve. Here you see a little window, open it, and we increase the number here to maybe 12. The steps, we give it 50. If you haven't, go here in edit, in preferences, select add-ons, and here hit extra and enable this and this. We go here in properties of the curve, in geometry, we will extrude it a little. But first, we go back here in object. Now we extrude it a little. Give it some depth. Now S to scale it. Control A to apply the scale. Now right click, convert to mesh. Now go here in modifier properties, add modifier. In deform we select displace. Don't worry if you see it like this. Hit new and here open a texture. Here in image or movie we will select distorted noise. It's not good like this, so we decrease the number like this. Go here in modifier, hold shift and decrease the number. We make it like this, 0.3. Hold S and X. Now S and Y. We make it like this. Now go here in add modifier, simple deform. Go here in stretch, in Y axis. We will play with the animation like this. And this will be our animation. But first, go here in modifier, in generate, in subdivision surface, we will give it three, like this. We apply the subdivision, right click, shadow smooth. Now go here and add. In deform we select smooth. We repeat the processor maybe 5, like this. Now Now we will play with our animation like this. So here in timeline in 1, right click, insert keyframe. We go here in the end, we change this to give us a nice animation. Right click, insert the keyframe. Now we go back here in 1. Here, hold shift. Right click, insert a keyframe. Go here in the end. We change this 0.4. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now, if we play, we have for now this animation. Here when you see the plus, oh, I make a mistake. Here when you see the plus up, and go here in shader editor. Hit N to close this window. Now, here, up, and we will back our timeline, as you can see. Go here in render properties, we switch to cycles, active GPU if you have one. Here, decrease the number to maybe 32. And here, I give it maybe 15. In the light paths, left click and select all this and give it 1. Maybe because we are using a glass shader, I make it in default like this. Go here in color management, select very high contrast. Now go here in word, in color, go here in environment texture and open the HDRI. I select maybe this one. It's okay. Now I go here in mesh, add a plane. S to scale it. G, Z down. G, Z down. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Hit N to close this window. Now select the plane, G, Z down, and we scale it more. Now select the plane first, hit new, make it metallic, the roughness we give it, as always, I make it 0.1. Change the color maybe to yellow like this, Now if we go here, we have this. Now select this object, hit new, the principal BSDF selected, right click, delete. Now go here in add, in shader, we select first mix shader because we were using a glass and transparent BSDF. Go here in add, in shader, we select glass BSDF. We make it in the first one. And go here in add, in shader, we select transparent BSDF. We make it here. Now Shift A and search for light path. It's here for me. Light path. Select right depth and connect it here. Now I change this color maybe to blue like this. Now if we go here in viewport shading, now we have this, but first I think this color is so now here in glass BSDF, we go here and add, in converter we select color ramp, connect color to color, and here we will change it, we will give it so I select the first one like this, and the white, I change it, maybe purple like this, and here in linear we change it to haze. Now we want we make it like this, and I go here in render image, okay, if we go back here in render image, it's take a time to rendering the image in cycles, but in the end we have a good image. You can play with the, you can play here when you select this object. You can play with this, or you switch like this to twist. You go here, you see, you can twist it as you want. Maybe in the end, I change this, I replace this keyframe, right click, and I change it. Now if we go here, now go here in render image. Now we have this beautiful abstract object. As you can see, it's easy to do, and you can play as you want with the displacement and with the simple deform. And the color, you can choose any color you want. If you want the animation, as always, it's easy to make. Go here in output properties, select your resolution and select the folder where you want to be in your computer, your animation. Here in PNG, select FFmpeg video. In encoding, we select MPEG 4. And here, select high quality and go here and render your animation. So, this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoy to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next video.